And for this, the ingredients are turmeric leaf or haldi champan, adulsa or telauni, and peppercorns, black pepper, ganjan, lemongrass, cinnamon, giloy, ginger, cloves, elaichi, cardamom, and this is tulsi leaf.
हील्स वॉश करून घेवपाचे आणि स्मॅश करपाचे सगळे इक्वल क्वांटिटी
Okay.
आणि 1 लिटर उदकान बॉयल करपाचे.
Okay, and this quantity for 1 liter of water, and then you boil that, and then bring it down to half a liter, and this is what you get.